Well, welcome back to the yard den. We're going to do a season finale. I'm going to mow the front, mow the back, and then we're going to get some ammonium sulfate down in the back as well. I don't think we'll do the front, but here, come check it out. This is a super late season. I didn't think I was going to be able to do one, and check this out. Look at this. We got all sorts of leaves. Leaves, 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 more leaves. Look how nice it looks. It still looks fantastic. Everything still looks fantastic. This is crazy. I went on a trip, came back. Look at this. But it's definitely looking a little tall. We're going to start in the back. We'll just mow it up. There's some leaves back there too. We've got some rain/snow coming. So I figured this would be a good time to make one last video for the season, and then I'll see everyone in the spring, of course. This has been a good season. I was not expecting the grass to come back like this. It's been freezing. It's been in the 20s, and apparently it's decided that it can survive and not have to go dormant because it is looking fresh, super fresh. Yeah, let's go ahead. We'll start in the back. I'm just gonna get straight in the mowing here, and then we'll get the ammonium down after I get done mowing the back and the front. Let's go. It's been a while. It's been a while. Let's go. All right, well, got the back done. I'm check it out real quick. It's a side. I cut shorter over here and on this side, or in the whole backyard this time. That's what I was trying to say. Bees are gone from over there. Everything looks good over here. And it gets dark early now. The shade's already coming in and it's not even 2 p.m. Now, I'm gonna jump to the front and I'm gonna be using the lawn striper up here. And yeah, I mean, I think this is the thickest I think I've ever seen this grass at this time of season too. before we mow. There's a sidewalk strip over here. Before. Sidewalk strip over here. And these things look great now too. And then of course the front. We are definitely using the lawn striper. This grass is very thick, definitely. Nice dark green. Yeah, and I think I'll just put ammonium sulfate all over the house. One last time. We're gonna get some rain, so let's go. Got everything done in the front. Just got to do the get that ammonium sulfate down next. So we'll do that real quick and then we'll be done for the season. Looking good. Looking real nice. Sidewalk strip. And another sidewalk strip. And this side. Now, the grass was a little wet. My hands are totally green. And I filled five bags. Six bags. That was a lot of grass. And it was just a little wet at the top, that's for sure. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the ammonium sulfate down. We'll start in the back, we'll come up to the front. Or actually, I'll just get the front done real quick and then we'll finish in the back and I'll wrap up the video. But thanks for watching this season. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Hope you got out there and made your yards green. And I'm just using my usual I think it's 2.4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So I'm gonna do 2.4 in a couple different sections. Let's go. That's of the ammonium sulfate. All right, well, it's about to rain. It's definitely gonna rain before it snows, but there might be a little snow tonight. But that rain's coming, got all the granular down. Everyone decided to join in apparently in the backyard when I was doing that. Got that done, got everyone not on the grass. But looking good, and I hope you enjoyed this season. That was a fun first season. I'm glad that I started filming this stuff because I really enjoy it and I gotta get it done no matter what. Thank you for subscribing and watching and really appreciate it. Now, let's take a look at the back one more time. It's looking a little yellow. I think we're good to go. I hear other people cutting now. They're trying to get in a last mow probably. They're probably hoping it's a last mow. I'm not hoping it's a last mow. Here's a look at the front. The domination, of course. My green yellow hands for the day. That's it for this season. Thanks for watching the Yard Dad, and hope to see you all next season. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll probably post like little videos here and there. I don't know what they'll be of. Maybe plowing snow, who knows? But I'll throw some shorts up and stuff like that. And I have another channel called The Chef Dad where I just cook food. It used to be like an RC channel, but now I'm doing food videos, which is originally what I did on that channel. But check out The Chef Dad. If you're into like recipes, I do Caribbean food, Indian food, Thai food, American food, all sorts of desserts, bakeries, stuff like that. If you're into cooking, I'll do some barbecue stuff on there as well. And yeah, check it out, The Chef Dad. But yeah, thank you all for watching the Yard Dad this season. And hopefully make it through your winters. And I'll see you next season. Thanks for watching. Peace.